Costa Rica, where the local time is approximately 12:29. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlet. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and area around your seat to make sure you have all your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bin. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stay clear of the doors to allow the flight attendants to perform important safety duties. Once we arrive at the gate, we'll hand you over to our airport team. They'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. Additionally, some of you will receive an email survey asking you about your experience. We'd love you to feedback how you enjoyed your flight with us today. On behalf of the entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, we thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We hope you've enjoyed your flight, and we look forward to seeing you again.